Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery free video for Chart Patterns Mastery / simpler trading. What are we watching in here? Well, we're going to be watching this tomorrow. Is this a bull flag? Which it could be. But what matters more right now? Is it the bond market, which has had a heck of a rally? Or is it that economic weakness is spooking everybody? And that's why the Home Depots of the world have gone straight down. So a lot of it's going to be perception tomorrow. If everybody says the Home Depots, the Caterpillars are overdone on the downside, then I think you could see a big rally in the ES. From my money, I think a big deal is going to be Nvidia split at the end of the week. Because keep in mind that Nvidia, most stocks that seem to split, the top is the day of the split or the day before. So just keep that in mind, that if I'm going to play things, it'll probably be the big rotation. Play the economically sensitive, the software on the long side. And we have to watch CrowdStrike tonight, which was down 30. It's up now. Holy cow, way up. So that's very exciting. So I'm just telling you, when you have earnings season start again, which you're going to get in July, I just can't stress enough that if a stock has lousy earnings like CrowdStrike and goes all the way down to this support, boy, do I wish that was intraday. Then I'd be buying it, but it got down to the 283. It's already sold off into earnings. So just keep that in mind. Big old stock. That's probably going to help sentiment a lot of the other software service stocks. Now, the thing I'm going to be doing next week is I'm definitely going to look to fade tech stocks. That doesn't mean to fade them this second. Just keep that in mind. Doesn't mean to fade them this second whatsoever. But this is what I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be watching if Tesla is a great tell for what Nvidia is going to do. No, what are we talking about? Well, Tesla was the darling for a while, as everybody knows. So we're going to go into Tesla, and we're going to go to the first split. So we're going to go in a weekly chart, and we're going to go to the first split way back here. You're going to see that that's back here. That's 831 on 2020. 831. And I want you to see what I expect Nvidia to do. So what you're going to do is you go to 2020 and you go to 831, but I'm going to go to September 1st. I'll show you the method to my madness. So what we're doing in here is we're going to look at Tesla, and you're going to see what happened up to the split. Yeah, look at that. Straight up the day before, and then got nailed on the opening on Tuesday. That's not a coincidence. Got nailed on the opening. Nailed on the opening. The next split in Tesla did the same thing. The post split in Netflix did the same thing. The only difference in here, a lot of times these sell off the day before the split as people try to anticipate it. So just keep that in mind in there. We'll be playing that next week. That does not mean to play Nvidia now. Everybody is long Nvidia. I totally understand prior to a split. Totally understand that. But that doesn't mean I have to go crazy and mess around with Nvidia when everybody and their mother's long it already. So that doesn't mean it can't go to 1,200 by earnings. No doubt. I mean by the split. No doubt it could go there. For me to really be aggressive and play it on the downside, I need to see a defined trend line that's like a 45-degree line. And then I'll play that to the downside. But at the moment, I think it's all about perception. It's all about perception right here. And I think it's that everybody's perceiving the economy weak. And that's why the Caterpillars of the world refuse to go up. So have a great night. We'll see if that changes after the unemployment report on Friday. Take care. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.